Good morning, everyone. Today I am out here in MacKenzie Bridge, Oregon. It's a beautiful day out. Pretty cold, it's about 30 degrees, but look at how beautiful. This is what I wake up to, or woke up to. I don't wake up to this every day, I wish I did. Today I'm going to take you guys to one of my favorite places in Oregon. It's called Tamolitch Falls. It's the Blue Pool of Oregon. Let's go. Sometimes when you walk through the forests of Oregon, you feel like you're a kid in a fairy tale. So my lifestyle is focused on health, but something that I like to ask myself a lot is why? I like to dig really deep into my core beliefs and everything, and why am I trying to be healthy? I'm still figuring that one out, because ultimately we're all gonna die, right? As morbid as that sounds. Is it morbid? Sorry, maybe that got way too morbid for this channel. I don't know. So I've been trying to figure out my why. For me, it's been my family. That's my why. They mean a lot to me, so I've been trying to help them as much as I can. I know family is something that's important to a lot of people, so maybe through these videos, maybe even just one person is able to help out a family member or yourself, and whether it's health benefits or realizing the beauty of nature, and if it impacts one person, that is great. As important my family is, it's a lot deeper than that, and I'm trying to figure that out as well. Hopefully you'll figure that out too. Living your life with some type of purpose, whatever that is, I think is really important. It might look different for everyone, but find something that's meaningful and strive towards it. I've been questioning a lot what my why is in everything that I do, and I like to think about it when I come out to nature places like this, and it just really helps you clear your mind. Continuing to do that grounding technique. It's nice. Look at how clear this water is. If this was Pokemon in real life, this is where you would find Kyogre. Did you know that this is a portal to a different dimension? Feels really good. So I just jumped in, took a nice little ice bath. It was about, 35 degrees or so. Ice baths are really good for the body, boosting metabolism. It was great. I'm freezing, I'm shivering, feeling myself, get stronger and healthier, my immune system getting better. Sometimes I wonder what this place looked like before there were trails and how they discovered the Blue Pool. If you think about it, someone had to come through this and make it, but imagine if you had to try to explore and find it on your own. That makes me think, how many other places like that are there in the world that haven't been discovered yet? Who knows? So that is the end of my adventure at Tamolitch Falls Blue Pool. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next adventure.